Picture, if you will, a tiny island commune in Normandy, France, known as Mont Saint-Michel. This ethereal island, crowned with its gravity-defying abbey, has been a beacon of intrigue and wonder for over 12 centuries. Its tale begins in the 8th century when Bishop Aubert of Avranches was reportedly visited by Archangel Michael in a dream, prompting the construction of a modest chapel on this mount. Over the centuries, Mont Saint-Michel morphed into a strategic fortification, its impenetrable walls and tides repelling invaders during the Hundred Years' War. It was a beacon of hope, a place of pilgrimage, drawing in thousands seeking spiritual solace. But the tides of time swept over its shores, and by the 19th century, Mont Saint-Michel evolved once more, this time into a revered historic monument. Its story is a tapestry threaded with faith, fortitude, and transformation. Now, with its rich history in mind, let us embark on an exploration of this stunning architectural marvel. Our journey begins at the base of the island, in the quaint village that surrounds the mount. This village, a living, breathing testament to the island's medieval past, is a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets that beckon one to explore. As we navigate through this maze, we are met with the charming sight of medieval architecture, its stone walls whispering tales of centuries past. Each cobbled street seems to weave a story of its own, with the buildings leaning in as if sharing a secret. Archways stretch overhead like ancient arms, creating a tapestry of shadows and light that dance on the stone beneath. The village, with its unique blend of old-world charm and modern amenities, is a feast for the senses. Nestled along these winding streets, you'll find an array of unique shops, each offering a piece of Mont Saint-Michel to take home. From artisanal crafts to locally sourced produce, these shops are the beating heart of the village, their goods as diverse and enchanting as the island itself. As we leave the village behind, our path leads us to the Grand Degré, the grand staircase that has stood as a silent sentinel for hundreds of years. This grand staircase, with its worn steps and sturdy balustrades, is more than a mere flight of steps. It's a journey through time, a pathway to the heavens, a testament to the countless pilgrims who have climbed its steps in search of spiritual solace. With each step we ascend, the world below seems to shrink, while the sky above expands, painting a canvas of infinite blues. The air, once filled with the hum of the village, now resonates with a serene silence, broken only by the whispering wind. The climb is a meditative experience, a communion with the past, a testament to the human spirit's relentless pursuit of the divine. As we ascend the Grand Degré, the abbey atop Mont Saint-Michel emerges into view. This sight, a silhouette against the sky, is a beacon of history and culture, an emblem of the island's rich heritage. It's a sight that leaves one breathless, not from the climb, but from the sheer beauty and grandeur that unfolds before the eyes. It's a sight that marks the end of our journey and the beginning of a new adventure. Welcome to the Abbey of Mont Saint-Michel, a stunning example of medieval architecture. Situated atop the rocky island of Mont Saint-Michel, the abbey is a marvel of Gothic spires, sturdy defensive walls, and delicate flying buttresses. The abbey's architecture is a testament to the architectural genius of the monks who designed and built it over the course of many centuries. The roots of the abbey date back to the 8th century, beginning as a humble oratory built by Bishop Aubert of Avranches. According to legend, the Archangel Michael himself instructed Aubert to build a church on this rocky islet. Over the centuries, it expanded, with each generation adding its layer, creating a unique blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles that we see today. The abbey's significance is not limited to its architectural grandeur. It also played a vital role in the spiritual and cultural life of medieval Europe. It was a major center of pilgrimage and learning, attracting scholars, monks, and pilgrims from all corners of the continent. Stepping into the abbey, one is transported back to a time when the rhythm of life was dictated by the monastic hours. The monk's day was divided into periods of prayer, study, work, and rest. Their life was simple and austere, yet filled with a profound sense of purpose and devotion. Imagine the echo of Gregorian chants filling the grand halls, the scent of candle wax and old parchment, the quiet rustle of a monk's robe as he moves down the cloister. The abbey is more than a historical monument. It's a window into a bygone era, a portal that allows us to glimpse the daily life of those who dedicated themselves to a life of contemplation and service. The enduring beauty of the abbey, standing steadfast against the battering winds and tides, serves as a powerful symbol of the human spirit's resilience and aspiration. Leaving the serenity of the abbey behind, we descend back into the bustling village. No visit to Mont Saint-Michel would be complete without sampling the local cuisine. As you wander through the labyrinthine streets of this ancient isle, the air is filled with an irresistible aroma, a fusion of sea salt and sizzling butter. One of the must-try delicacies here is the famous omelette at La Mer Poulard. An enchanting culinary spectacle, these omelettes are whisked to airy perfection, creating a fluffy masterpiece that's golden on the outside and creamy within. But the gastronomic adventure doesn't stop there. The surrounding bay of Mont Saint-Michel provides a bounty of seafood. Freshly caught mussels, oysters and scallops are transformed by the skilled hands of local chefs into delectable dishes that burst with the very essence of the sea. The cuisine of Mont Saint-Michel is a testament to the region's rich heritage and natural abundance. It's a sensory journey that goes beyond taste, stirring the soul with every bite. Savoring these delicious flavors, we conclude our visit to Mont Saint-Michel. As our journey comes to an end, let us reflect on the essence of Mont Saint-Michel. This is not just a place, but a living testament to the passage of time. It's an embodiment of resilience, standing tall through centuries of change. What makes Mont Saint-Michel remarkable is the unique blend of history, architecture, and culture. Walk the cobbled streets and you'll feel the whispers of ancient tales, each stone saturated with stories of the past. The abbey, a marvel of medieval architecture, is a testament to the human spirit's determination, reaching towards the heavens against all odds. The culinary delights, from the sumptuous omelettes to the mouth-watering seafood, offer a taste of Normandy that lingers long after the meal. This is a place where the past coexists with the present, where every corner holds a tale waiting to be discovered. Mont Saint-Michel, a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon of history.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe by pressing button below.